Hi everyone, in this video I'll be demonstrating a new manufacturing and enhancement introduced in NetSuite 2026.1 release, which is reopening non-WIP work orders. Before this release, reopening a closed WIP work order was not this straightforward and it took manual workarounds. Now that with this new release, we can open a work order directly from the application. As you can see, I have opened a work order and this is closed. So to reopen this non-WIP work orders, they have given a option under actions. You can see that there is an option to reopen. So if you click this button, you can see that the work order is being reopened. So if you see, the work order status was closed. Now after clicking that button, it's in process now. So other than this, we also have two other ways to open a closed non-WIP work order. One is to update the status. If let's just mark this as closed again. To update this, we can just go to the we can just edit the work order, and if you see the status, it is closed now. We can just set it back to in process, which again opens the closed work order. Another way to do this is to change the status via CSV import. We can do a bulk import to change the status to in process. So these are the three ways in which we can open a non-WIP work order which is closed. But there are three things that we have to make sure: that the user has the work order edit permission, then the work order is not voided, and the build quantity should be less than the work order quantity. This enhancement helps manufacturing team to handle production corrections, incomplete builds, or operational changes after the work order is being closed.